Hey yo, it's Chris O. Okay, so I screeded this floor yesterday and banged up these sheets, done that niche. So now I'm just waiting for the screed to dry so I can waterproof it. So today I'll be working down in this bathroom. So I'm going to be taking off the sheets here. The owner is doing the plumbing, so he's got to put those pipes up a little bit higher. It's going to be a standalone bath. I'm not sure what he's doing there, whether he's going to keep the two taps there or put in a mixer. I'm not sure. He put in a mixer in the ensuite, but we'll see. And then I'll sheet it all tomorrow. I'll screed the floor, so that's drying while I'm into the ensuite. So it's cool. It's not very often that I'm able to work the bathroom and ensuite at the same time, because usually the people are living in the house. So it makes it, I don't get any downtime. It's cool. This is going to be, well, that's the laundry. This is going to be, I don't know. It's going to be a cupboard, I suppose. He's going to build a cupboard. I'll bring the screed up to the same height as the bathroom, but I'll see what he wants. Because I reckon, yeah, might be too big a gap. I'll see. I'll ask a couple of questions and see what the owner wants. Okay, and then he wants to paint the ceiling, but he wants all that floor tiled as well. So I said to him, get your floor grinder out and zap the old screed off the, because they jackhammered it all up, but you still need to grind the floor now, make it nice. Okay, we'll see you soon. What I'm doing now is going home. I've done what I can do. I'll screed the floor tomorrow, but the owner hasn't had a chance to do the plumbing yet, so I've gone around with a 200mm strip of cement sheet. He'll be doing the plumbing today, but or maybe Saturday. I want to be able to screed it tomorrow so I don't get a hold up, and then I can start waterproofing the ensuite on Monday. And this is in that time this is drying nicely, and then it can be waterproofed as well. We'll see you soon.